What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails and Mass. At the time of recording, it's Sunday, May 10th, 2026 at 1:40 in the PM. And we find ourselves here back at Boston Engine Terminal in Somerville to check out what equipment's outside. In the distance, we can see that Rolling Stock Solutions have 40 PH4C. Glad to see at least one of them in service.
Approached edge of altitude zone. Approached edge of altitude zone. Approached edge of altitude zone.
I know it's very early to be talking about fall, but it won't be that long before the laser train's back out again. Unfortunately, the only time I did get to see the clouds moving this season was at Boston Engine Terminal, but hopefully next year we get to see a bit more. People have definitely showed a lot of interest in that cab car 1637. We'll get one more look at that 4C, just because this time here is only temporary. Alright guys, that's it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.